Welcome, and today I will be talking about types of profit for a firm. So first I'll start by talking about explicit costs. So it's a monetary payment for land, labor, or capital. Land and capital are your fixed costs, and labor is your variable costs for a firm. Implicit costs are the entrepreneur's opportunity costs and any costs of resource allocation that the firm needs in their product. Economic costs is both implicit and explicit costs. So that's land, labor, capital, entrepreneurship, and resource allocations, if there are any costs associated with that. Accounting profit is total revenue minus explicit costs. So the explicit costs again are land, labor, or capital. And then normal profit is total revenue minus the implicit costs, and so the opportunity cost of the entrepreneur and any cost with the resource allocation. And normal profit is actually a cost to the firm rather than an actual profit. Economic profit is total revenue minus economic costs, and compared to the other two, where they only account for one type of the costs, this is the best profit measure because it accounts for all costs to a firm, and it should help determine the firm where to maximize profit or minimize loss, and where and when to shut down if they need to. So here are some cost graphs. So marginal cost is just the cost of producing the next unit. Average total cost accounts for all the costs for a firm. And then average variable cost is just the cost of labor. Average fixed cost is entrepreneurship, resource allocation, entrepreneurship, land, and capital. And now we'll have a short review. So if Joe gets paid $7 an hour for mowing lawns, but has to pay his mom $2 to rent the lawnmower and has to pay for gas, which costs $3 per gallon, and he works for 4 hours and uses 2 gallons of gas, then what is his accounting profit or loss? If Joe could have gotten paid $5 an hour for babysitting instead of mowing, what is his normal profit or loss? And what is his economic profit or loss? And is mowing a profitable venture for Joe? I'll give you a minute to decide these and show you the answers. Alright, so here are the answers. So Joe's accounting profit is $20 because you have his total revenue, which is 28, so the 7 times the 4 hours, so the $7 an hour times the $4 hours he worked, minus the explicit cost, which is his 2 gallons of gas times $3 per gallon of gas, so that's 6, plus the $2 he required to rent the lawnmower. So 28 minus 8 is 20. And then he could have earned $20 babysitting, so that's his implicit cost. And then he had $28 total revenue, so 28 minus 20 is 8. And then if you add the $20 that he could have gotten babysitting to the $8 that he required for his product, so the gas and the lawnmower, that adds up to 28, and since his total revenue was 28, we take 28 minus 28, which is an economic profit of 0, So no, this is not a profitable venture for Joe. He breaks even instead. Thanks for watching.